So right now I'm trying to get a video shot of this car right now, and all this people right here is amazed at this car. Ridiculously awesome. The Audi R8 is a mid-engine supercar offering seating for 2 passengers and manufactured by the German automaker Audi since 2006. It is currently in its second generation. Today, I'm proud to present to you the all-new 2017 Audi R8, dressed beautifully in Ibis white exterior with full black leather interior. For 2017, the Audi R8 comes in 2 different engine choices, starting out with the R8 V10, which pushes out 540 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. The next engine choice is the V10 Plus, which is what I have here today. The V10 Plus engine pushes out an enormous 610 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque. That is even faster than the first generation R8, with a 0 to 60 mile per hour time of only 3.2 seconds. Now, as most of us already knew that the previous generation Audi R8 is based on its sister Lamborghini Gallardo, this time, it is based on the new Lamborghini Huracan, which is a replacement for the discontinued Gallardo. The new 2017 Audi R8 comes with a brand new exterior as well as the interior. Once you step inside, you'll be greeted with the newly designed interior of the R8. The newly Audi Virtual Cockpit puts the driver at the helm of the ingenious Audi Virtual Cockpit, which display all essential information directly within the driver vision on a 12.3-inch TFT display that has outstanding resolution and clarity. The Audi Drive Select system on the new R8 let you personalize your driving experience with 4 driving modes that let you configure the steering, engine, transmission, and chassis response, including the Quattro all-wheel drive system. The performance mode on the R8 V10 Plus model augment Drive Select with maximum performance on diverse road surfaces. With all being said, this new Audi R8 makes the true supercar for the year 2017. Okay, so here I have the sticker to the car. As you can see, all the standard and optional equipment that comes with this vehicle. Standard vehicle price is listed at $189,900. With all the optional equipment added, it comes up to be at $203,460. Now you can pause the video and take a closer look if you like. Up front, the first thing you'll notice is the lighting that help accentuate the Audi R8. Full automatically LED headlights with strikingly new design LED daytime running lights, as well as LED turn signal light. Audi LED technology helped create lighting that's powerful and iconic, not only in the dark of night, but also in broad daylight. The stylish design is aesthetically pleasing, and it also increases visibility to others, whether you're coming or going. Park assist as well as cornering light are also built into the front bumper. And there you can see the carbon fiber front splitter. Very cool looking. In the middle is the newly refreshed Audi single frame grille with anthracite gray gloss finish and Quattro badging on it. And there you have the Audi 4-ring logo on the hood. It also comes with intermittent rain sensing windshield wipers with adjustable speed. Very bold and aggressive front ends. Now moving to the side, this particular model comes upgraded with 20-inch 10-spoke wide design fork wheels with 245/30 summer tires. Behind the wheel is the set of 15-inch Audi ceramic ventilated brake discs and the huge brake caliper for faster stopping. Brake caliper are painted in silver with Audi lettering on it. I love the new wheel design on the Audi R8. And there you have V10 badge on the fender. Carbon fiber side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal indicator. Very cool looking. And on the side, you see you have a huge carbon fiber air vents that direct air into the engine compartment and to the back. Very aggressive sides. And here's the look to the top. And there you can see the door handle. Just press the button located on the inside to open the door. Now rear wheels are also 20 inches. It is staggered in width and comes with 305/30 low profile summer tire as well. Behind the rear wheels, the 14-inch Audi ceramic ventilated brake disc, as well as the power assisted brake caliper. It also comes with the anti-lock braking system with electronic brake pressure distribution and brake assist, electronic stability control with secondary collision brake assist and traction control. Tire pressure monitoring system are also equipped on all four wheels. To the back, you quickly notice the iconic full LED tail light with integrated LED brake light, as well as LED turn signal light. LED tail light also featured the new shape LED brake light to match with the front LED daytime running light. Very beautiful LED tail light. At the bottom is the carbon fiber rear diffuser that framed the quad trapezoidal black tip exhaust with dual sound mode. Park assists are also integrated into the rear bumper. And here's a closer look at the carbon fiber rear diffuser. And a closer look at the full carbon fiber rear spoiler. I love the design of the rear spoiler. It looks very unique and different. And rear ends are a lot bolder and wider than the previous model. And here you can see some air vents for air to pass through. And there's the engine compartment. Very nice looking. You also have the third LED brake light on top. Okay, so here I have the remote to the Audi R8. I love the design. On the back there's the R8 logo. On the remote you have the lock, trunk release, unlock, panic, and Audi logo at the bottom. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. So the car does come equipped with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, just press the button located on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, place your hand behind the door handle to unlock. And the door does not come with our self-close automatic door. The exterior color is known as Ibis White, featuring a full black leather interior with white contrast stitching and diamond stitching all around the seat, with silver aluminum accenting trims as well as carbon fiber trims all around. Very sporty looking interior. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. I love the new cabin design. So to start the vehicle, all you have to do is push your foot on the brake and push the start button located on the steering wheel to start. Alright, now let's pop the hood and see what the 2017 Audi R8 have to offer. And as you already know, the engine is in the back of the car, so it is a rear mounted engine. Under the hood is a 5.2 liter FSI naturally aspirated V10 engine with 7-speed S-tronic transmission with steering wheel mounted paddle shifter, quattro permanent all-wheel drive system with 5 different driving modes. You can choose from comfort, auto, dynamic, individual, and performance. It is pushing out 610 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in a fast 3.2 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 205 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 15 city, 22 highway, and 17 combined. Very impressive engine. And as you can see, there is absolutely plenty of carbon fiber located inside the engine compartment. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Hey guys, today I'm proud to present to you the 2015 Porsche 911 Turbo, finished in GT Silver Metallic. The Porsche 911 is the flagship of the current lineup for Porsche. It is a two-door high-performance sport car made by Porsche AG of Germany. It has a distinctive design with a rear engine and independent rear suspension, combined with the 3.8-liter 6-cylinder boxer engine, which is made with a lightweight metal design. The engine's low weight-to-power ratio increases agility and lower consumption. It boasts an impressive amount of horsepower, 520 horsepower to be exact, and 487 pound-feet of torque, which in turn give the Porsche 911 Turbo a very fast 0 to 60 times of only 3.2 seconds. The Porsche Active Aerodynamic System enhances both everyday practicality and performance, a contradiction that has been resolved by the flexible setting of the front spoiler and rear wing, resulting in better road clearance at the front, greater stability, lower fuel consumption on the road, and impressive time on the racetrack. There can be no doubt about the origin of the 911 Turbo. In its form, proportions, and line, it is clearly a Porsche. The wings are higher than the front lid. The 28 extra millimeter at the back compared to the previous generation are designed to look especially powerful. Height and overhangs have been reduced, while the wheelbase is 100 mm longer, improving stability and stretching the roofline. The 911 Turbo model looks more powerful and even more sporty. The 911 Turbo models are equipped as standard with bi-xenon headlights, including a headlight cleaning system and dynamic range control for an even illumination of the road ahead, and also the Porsche dynamic light system. The dynamic cornering light function swivels the main headlight toward the inside of a bend for better visibility. LED daytime running lights, turn signal light, as well as park assist are also integrated into the front bumper. There is the large imposing air intakes that feed vital air into the engine. Intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed. There is the cornering light. This particular model comes with the upgraded 20-inch 911 Turbo S fork alloy wheels with a slender and widespread design, two-tone finish with black base paint, and highly polished front face with 245/35 performance tire. Behind the wheel is the large ventilated cross-drill brake disc and a huge brake caliper painted in red for faster stopping. Porsche lettering are also printed on the caliper. Body color side view mirror. And here's a look to the top. Rear wheels are staggered in width with 305/30 performance tire. Behind the wheel is the large ventilated cross-drill brake disc and large brake caliper painted in red with Porsche lettering on it as well. It also features Porsche active suspension and stability management with anti-lock braking system, anti-slip regulation, as well as automatic brake differential. To the back, you see the striking LED tail light. Integrated into the tail light is the LED brake light, as well as the LED turn signal light. LED tail light illuminate quicker and brighter than traditional incandescent light bulbs to help alert driver behind quicker and help prevent possible accidents. At the bottom is the black rear diffuser that frame the quad chrome tip exhaust with dual sound mode. Rear deflector and park assist are also integrated into the rear bumper. There is the third LED brake light, as well as the retractable rear spoiler that helps create downforce at high speed and reduce drag. Very aggressive rear end. And a closer look at the engine cover with vent for air to pass through. Alright, here I have the remote. Very cool looking remote. On the remote I have the unlock, lock and trunk release button, Porsche logo, and panic button in the back. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. Now the exterior color is known as GT Silver Metallic, featuring a full espresso leather interior with silver aluminum accenting trims all around. Very sporty interior. Okay, let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So just insert the key into the key ignition located on the left, turn it to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2015 Porsche 911 Turbo have to offer. So like I mentioned before, the 2015 Porsche 911 Turbo feature a rear engine which comes with a 3.8-liter twin-turbo horizontally opposed 6-cylinder aluminum engine, direct fuel injection, active all-wheel drive with 7-speed PDK transmission, pushing out 520 horsepower and 487 pound-feet of torque. Can hit from 0 to 60 in a fast 3.2 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 195 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 17 city, 24 highway, and 20 combined. Very impressive. Hey guys, today I'm proud to present to you the 2016 Mercedes-AMG GTS, dressed exclusively in the Signal Magno Iridium Silver matte finish. The Mercedes-AMG GTS is a two-door, two-seat Grand Tour Coupe produced by Mercedes-AMG of Germany. The AMG GT exterior design was kept similar to that of the predecessing SLS AMG. It featured the wide wheel arches and lower bodywork of the SLS, but does not employ its gull-wing door. The interior features a large center console and decorative element in a leather and carbon polymer design, which give the AMG GTS a very unique and impressive cockpit design. The GTS uses a front mid-engine, rear-wheel drive layout with the engine inside the vehicle's wheelbase. The vehicle structure is made up of 93% aluminum with the front module base made up of magnesium. The car is powered by a brand new engine made by Mercedes-AMG, which features a front mid-mounted 4-liter biturbo V8 engine. This new V8 is in a hot inside V configuration with exhaust and turbocharger inside the cylinder banks to reduce turbo lag and uses dry sump lubrication. The power is sent to the rear wheel through a transaxle 7-speed AMG speed shift dual clutch transmission. The 4-liter biturbo V8 engine in the AMG GTS is even more responsive. With 503 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, it can hit from 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds according to Mercedes. Better yet, in a recent road test executed by Car and Driver, the AMG GTS managed to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds and ran the quarter mile in just 11.2 seconds. Now let's take a look at the sticker here. So the base AMG GTS starts at $129,900. This model comes with a $3,950 Signal silver matte paint option, black nappa red seats for $1,200, and a whole list of options below. Total of $26,085 in options, not including destination and handling. Now you can pause the video and take a closer look if you like. Up front, the first thing that will catch your attention is the pair of active full LED headlight with integrated LED daytime running lamp as well as LED turn signal lamp. In the middle, you can see the AMG grille with Mercedes-Benz logo in the middle. Very aggressive looking front end. Now moving to the side, this particular model comes upgraded with 19-inch AMG cross-spoke fork wheels in black with 265/35 low-profile high-performance tires. Behind the wheel is the set of ventilated cross-drill brake discs with the huge brake caliper for faster stopping. Brake caliper are painted in red with AMG lettering on it. And here's the specific AMG GTS fender with V8 biturbo on it. Gloss black side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal indicator. On top you can see the fixed panoramic sunroof. Now rear wheels are also 19 inches and are stacked in both width and diameter to optimize every element of handling. Behind the rear wheel is also the ventilated cross-drill brake disc and the brake caliper painted in red with AMG lettering on it as well. It also comes with anti-lock braking system, adaptive braking technology, as well as brake assist. I really like the wheel design on this model. To the back, the first thing you'll notice is the full LED tail light with integrated LED brake light as well as LED turn signal light. LED technology also illuminates the brake lamp more quickly, offering driver behind you more time to react, which can make a critical difference in a panic stop. Very stylish looking tail light. At the bottom is the black rear diffuser that frames the dual trapezoidal exhaust tube. Rear deflector and parking sensor are also integrated into the rear bumper. Rear view camera is located right above the license plate. And here's the automatically deploying rear spoiler. And I'll show you how it looks retract. Very sporty looking back. And there's the third LED brake light. Okay, here I have the remote. On the remote I have the panic, lock, unlock, as well as trunk release. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. So the car does come equipped with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, just press the button located on the door handle once to lock. And as you can see, the side view mirror will automatically fold once the vehicle is locked. And to unlock, just place your hand behind the door handle to unlock. And once again, side view mirror will automatically unfold. The exterior color is known as iridium silver metallic, finished in matte, featuring full black exclusive nappa leather interior with red contrast stitching, as well as silver aluminum trims and carbon fiber trims throughout. Very sporty looking interior. Okay, now let's jump into the driver's seat. So to start the vehicle, you can either press the start and stop button or insert the key into the key ignition located inside the center console and turn it twice to start. So I'm going to walk outside and show you guys the exhaust note from the outside. We're going to start it up in normal mode and then rev it up in normal, and after a while we're going to rev it up in Sport Plus mode. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2016 AMG DTS have to offer. Under the hood, the AMG DTS is equipped with 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine with 7-speed AMG speed shift, dual clutch transmission with steering wheel mounted paddle shifter, rear wheel drive with eco start and stop system. It also comes with forked dual wishbone suspension for both the front and the rear. The AMG GTS is pushing out 503 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds according to Mercedes. Top track speed is electronically limited at 193 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is rated at 16 city, 22 highway, and 18 combined. Very impressive engine.